Hi guys, it's clean up my refrigerator day today, so I decided to make something healthy and make use of all my leftover vegetables. So I decided to make egg roll in a bowl. It's a very healthy dish. If you're vegetarian, of course you could omit the pork, or if you don't like pork, you could use shrimps, ground chicken, or ground turkey. So the ingredients are very simple. I have some yellow bell pepper. These are my broccoli florets from my last haul from Costco. I have carrots. I have a whole head of Napa cabbage. I just chopped, washed, and drained them. I have some garlic, onion, of course ground pork, salt, pepper, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and olive oil. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, so I am gonna start by adding a few tablespoons of olive oil into our wok, and then I am gonna add my onions. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my other ingredients. So next, I'm gonna add my garlic. And wait for about 2 minutes. And then you could add your pork. Continue mixing until cooked. So continue mixing. I'm also gonna add some pepper and about a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. The heat on my pan is around medium. So my pork is cooked. I am gonna add carrots first and wait for around 3 to 5 minutes until the carrots are halfway cooked. I'm also gonna add some oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Mix very well. I'm not gonna add some water because our Napa cabbage is full of water once you cook it. So I'm just gonna leave it as is and not add any water. Okay, I'll be back in around 5 minutes to check on my carrots. Okay, so 3 minutes had passed. I'm just gonna add my yellow bell pepper. I'm gonna mix them. And then about this time, I'm also gonna add my Napa cabbage. So just mix well. And then I'm gonna cover it. Okay, be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what the dish looks like after 5 minutes. Just continue mixing them. I don't want to overcook my vegetables. I still want it to have some texture to it. That's why at the very end, I'm just gonna add my broccoli. I'm also gonna add in some more pepper. You have to taste the dish for seasoning and to balance out the flavor of the oyster sauce and the salt and the pepper. I'm just gonna add less than a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. And then I'm gonna cover this one more time. And then the final touch is I'm gonna sprinkle a little sesame oil on my dish. Okay? Be back in a few minutes. Okay, so it has been 2 minutes. I am ready to drizzle a little olive oil, maybe about a teaspoon, and then mix it for the very last time. Turn off the heat, and there you go. We have our dish. This is my version of egg roll in a bowl. I hope you give this a try, and please let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.